Alright, good morning everyone.
Bro, look at this dude wearing jackets and all.
Bro,
It's not even that cool.
it's a necessity. Oh, it's not really that cool. We are currently on the bus to Port Douglas. But first we will go to a drive to the coast. So we'll see the sunrise. Just finished our briefing and now we're going to get some more groceries. Buy some stuff. Yeah, want to get some jam because my scones are too dry. Hey bro, they got vegetables up in this. Wait, which flavor?
I'm gonna take it all.
Personally, I'm gonna take these nuts. Done.
Yep.
Okay, here is our room. Bunk bed.
Actually, it's not bad though,
And
to be honest. Because it's just us two, so...
they've got everything. Bathroom, living room, TV, fridge, dining table, microwave, stove, oven, pan, and washing machine. Man, they got everything, man. Yes, the beach. We're walking to the main town. So it's an hour walk, but with this weather, I don't mind. You mind? No, you don't mind. Doesn't mind. Let's go. When you compare to Malaysia, it's such a humid and wet country that is unwalkable. But in this country, windy, and if the sun's out, not really bothered by it. So yeah, walking is a much viable option. We were just back from Coles. We brought groceries yet again, but for real this time we bought proper food to eat for dinner. So yeah, let's make some dinner, shall we? Alright, so this is dinner. Toast, an egg, spicy tuna and mayo. Not gonna lie, the mayo looks like something else. And hummus. So first day on the job, and also the first day, it's rainy season. It just started raining after 2 weeks of not raining. So I'm stationed in B1, which I assume is birds, and Iqbal is in reptiles. So yeah, let's see. I told you, they say this one's chaotic. I can see why. This is Rosie. She's a bit fat. Fiona. This is Elvis. These claws are dang sharp. Jacko. Peter. Alright, so the first task of the day is breakfast with the birds. Basically, I take the presentation birds out of the cages and show them to our guests during breakfast. And then sometimes I can just hang around in the koala enclosure while the zookeepers are presenting. But on the first day, disaster struck. Guys, I don't know where the person who's supposed to guide me is. I lost him. I don't know where she is. Where's Shannon? My one and only fear has been realized. Getting stranded. I don't know where my guide is. I don't know, man. Hooked on. Yep. Thank you, Fruit Loop. So first day done. I'm done for today. Birds were cooperative. Nasib baik-baik saja. Dia minta lepak kat atas supaya tak sampai. How was first day?
It was nice. It's not too tiring, I guess. For me, it's nice.
Yeah. It's nice, it's cool.
Yeah, it's not even that hot.
Even though I did get abandoned for like a hot 30 minutes. But
I never get abandoned, so I don't know what you're talking about.
so let's get it.
Yep.
Easy. You wanna? Nope. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? We're best friends now. Yep. I've now left alone once again. And I mean, considering it's a routine, I guess I'll just clean the cages. Yeah. Next, we have the koala talk by the zookeepers. And then a photo session. And at 12, we have lunch. We'll go back to your cage, mate. What? Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. So guys, having a bit of problem. I don't know which bird goes to which cage. They've got like 4 green parrots. I have no idea which goes into when. Are you Lenny? I don't know. I think you're Lenny. Could be hippo. I'm not sure. Something? Huh? Wanna get up? Oh, let's lihat ada burung. Oh my god. Don't get me wrong. Birds are fun. But you know they get annoying sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Now this day is different because I got to bathe these frogmouths. Look at him, he doesn't want to show it. Acting all stoic. And we fed them crickets and mealworms. We found halal chicken, let's go bro!
Yeah. $3 bro, $3.
$3 man! If you ever come to Australia, get steggles, alright? Alright, tonight for dinner, we got toast again, some eggs, some hummus, funny looking mayonnaise, and some chicken nuggets, yeah man? Chicken nuggets, man. I love chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets.